Well, just got out here with Devin right at the 90 bridge and just didn't realize the camera wasn't on, but caught a nice one here. Nice chunker. That's a good fish to start the day off. That's over 2 pounds. Look how fat it is. I don't know what that is. Oh, it feels good.
Oh yeah.
It's right on that rock. Oh no, it's smaller. Smally though. Oh, it's a decent one too.
Oh yeah.
Came back. Yeah, it's actually a good one.
Oh, that's a good one.
Get over here. Get in there. Get in there. Yes. Oh my god. It's the same size as the one this morning. Right on those rocks, dude.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's not that fucking giant I lost this morning. I lost like a 5-pounder here. Right after I caught that other one. But there's tons of fish here, so I figured we'd come back. That's a nice one. Fuck, look at the gut. All American. Ooh, that feels good. That feels good.
Big one?
Feels pretty big. Oh yeah, it's decent.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh god. I should be extending it like this, so I thought. Told you we catch something here. That guy literally fucking came right next to us and shit, fucking asshole.
Yeah, no,
He couldn't fucking go around.
that's pretty fucked up.
You saw that shit?
Yeah, he just kept looking at us. But yeah, you couldn't go on around.
Right there. Ooh.
Oh, mama.
This is good. Oh, it's coming up, dude. It's coming up. Stay down. Stay down. Oh, it's a big one. That's a big one, bro. That's a big fish. That's a big fish, bro.
You got it?
Yeah, I got it. Oh god, that's a big one. Oh, got my drag set right now. Hear it? Like when you reel, it drags. Got it set right. Oh, this one's big, dude.
Holy shit.
I don't want to move this one. Come on, baby. Oh shit. Come on.
Not
Drag,
under the
do your
boat.
thing. Do your thing. Do your drag. Do your drag. I gotta fight it. I gotta wear it out. Oh, that's
Holy
a big fish.
shit.
Oh, come on.
Here, you want me to grab it?
I got it. I just look up this plane. I'm not trying to force it. It's barely hooked, bro. Oh, yes! A redemption! Redemption from the big one I lost today. Let's go! That's over 4 pounds. Oh. Oh my god. That's a fucking toad, bro. Look at how big that one is. Let's fucking go. Toad. Look at that one, bro. Oh, I'm over it, but I'm still thinking about that 5-pounder I lost earlier. But this one's a giant as well. Hell yeah, dude. Beautiful fish. Look at that. Beautiful fish. Love you, girl. Let's go.
Well, I don't know.
I got one off there, dude. Oh, it feels good. Oh, it's a big one, bro. Woo! Right off of that piling. I just said it. I was like, how have I not caught one off one of these piling? I lost that big one earlier. Oh, it's a big fish, bro.
Boy.
It's a big fish. Jesus, it jumped right in the boat.
Oh, yeah. Think it's bigger than the other one?
Nah. Oh, God.
Stay on.
Stay on. Oh, it's a big fish, though. Oh, I missed it. Oh, God. This thing is fucking fighting so good. Look at every time it sees the net, it fucking just darts.
Oh yeah. Come on.
Let's go. That's a big one.
Oh, it's heavy, dude. Snake, snake, snake. Oh yeah.
I just said it, right? I was like, God, how am I not catching one on one of these pilings?
Man.
I'm still having nightmares of that 5+ I lost, but I caught a lot of nice fish today. Here's another nice one. Look at that, how fat it is. Beautiful fish. Hook 'em hard, baby. Let's go.